What's up, everybody? It's your boy PokeSharKJ, and today I'm doing things a little bit different. We're opening up this Flareon GX 10 from 2019. Inside this 10 we get one of 3 foil promos, either the Flareon GX, Jolteon GX, or Vaporeon GX. We get 4 booster packs and a code card for TCG Online. Here is our Flareon GX promo card. Here is the code card for the 10. And here goes our 4 packs. We got 2 cosmiceclipse, a burningshadows, and a steam siege. We're going to be starting off with the steam siege. Let's see if we can pull any hits today. Sorry about that code card. I think it's 3 to the front. And here we go. We got Fletchinder, Pokemon Ranger, Tangrowth, Clauncher, Nidorino, Chimchar, Nosepass, Litwick. Our reverse holo is Litwick, and our rare is Galvantula, non-holo. And our second pack, Burningshadows. Code card. 3 to the front. And we got Dusclops, Metapod, Simisear, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Dewpider, Cutiefly, Riolu. Our reverse holo is Tynamo, and our rare is Passamay, non-holo. And our next pack is going to be cosmiceclipse. Code card. 3 to the front. And here we go. We got Guzman Hala, Zangoose, Vaporeon, Tangela, Duskull, Tempo, Piplup, Cosmog. Our reverse holo is Phil, and our rare is Guzzlord, holographic Ultra Beast, and our energy card. And our last and final pack with Blastoise in the front. Code card. 3 to the front. And here we go. We got Jolteon, Ends Resolve, Moau, Psyduck, Trapinch, Oddish, Rufflet, Piplup, and we have Coffin, as our rare. That's a pretty cool looking card there. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.